Everybody, it's Dan. So we are just about to go to the meeting. So we got a meeting this morning, one of our content meetings with content coordinator. So that's the meeting where we discuss where all the clients are up to, who's got what going out, who needs stuff doing, who's got stuff that's outstanding, any issues on scheduling. We've had a massive issue this last week with Instagram not connecting basically to any third-party apps, so that's caused us problems against probably about 70% of our clients have had a problem of stuff not going out on Instagram. It's caused all sorts of issues for us, but it's not just us that's had an issue, it's everybody. It's just Instagram doing what Instagram does every so often. So if you are using third party like Hootsuite or Buffer or anything else, they are not 100% perfect, that's for sure. And of course sometimes clients think that it should be, but it's not. It's just not. It's just one of those things. It can't be helped. It's like blaming us for Google going down. It's nothing to do with us. It's just one of those things. So anyway, having to sort that out this week, but that's all sorted now. So having to catch up with all the other clients, making sure that everything is scheduled still and connected to the third-party apps. This is all part of running a business, you know. Most of the time it goes smoothly, and some of the time it doesn't. And when it doesn't, we've got to step in and try and fix it, whilst educating the clients as to what happened, why it happened, what's gone wrong, what we're doing to put it right. Sometimes it's our fault. Oh, little pussy cat. Thank you very much. Sometimes it's our fault, not that often, but it can be. Not in this particular case as it happened. It was Instagram cutting connection, but LinkedIn cuts connection all the time. You know, that's like once every 30 days I think you have to reconnect LinkedIn, just because it's LinkedIn. So yeah, these are the sort of problems that you're going to run into as a business owner, and you just got to manage them and manage clients and that kind of thing as well. So we're going to the content coordinator. We've got a dog in the back. We're going to have our meeting. We'll go for a walk along the beach, and then we'll see how that goes.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution.
Hey, so that's our meeting done. Just went for a walk on the beach with the dog. Just double checking everything's in place and lined up ready to go, so that's pretty cool. Back to the house now. I don't know what we're going to do this afternoon. Might take this afternoon off, it is a Friday after all, but we'll go back to the house, bit of Netflix and chill, or maybe a bit of Xbox, or maybe a bit of work. I need to schedule some podcasts for next week actually, so I'll probably do those in fact. Just got those all lined up, but it's really cool down here at the beach. People jumping out of planes, most of them have parachutes on, which is even better. That's always nice coming down. Oh, there's some kite surfers over there going really fast. That's really cool. Love living here. So lucky to live in such a outdoorsy kind of place. It's taken a lot of work to get here. A lot of investing in assets and that kind of thing. Something that anyone can do, but it's not easy, that's for sure. So let's get back to the house and see what else we need to do, and let's just see